So if you are watching this video, it means that you are a critical thinker, or you are going to be a critical thinker by the end of this video. And today we want to know the difference between a prime number and an odd number, because most people, they used to think that prime number or prime numbers are odd numbers. The truth is that there's a big difference between a prime number and an odd number. Although there are some prime numbers that are odd numbers, but it is not all prime numbers that are odd numbers. It is not all odd numbers that are prime numbers, but there are some prime numbers that are odd numbers, and there are some odd numbers that are prime numbers. All odd numbers that are prime numbers, but there are some prime numbers that are odd numbers, and there are some odd numbers that are prime numbers, and odd numbers are not prime numbers. Now, what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that has two factors. It is mostly one and itself. For example, 5 is a prime number. Why is it a prime number? 5 has just two factors, which is 1 and 5. 7 is a prime number because there is no number that can divide 7 without a remainder except 1 and 7. Now, let me ask you, is 9 a prime number? If your answer is yes, it means you are right. No, I mean you are wrong. 9 is not a prime number because 9 has 3 numbers that can divide 9 without a remainder, which is 9, 3, and 1. So 1, 3, and 9 are the factors of 9. So 9 is not a prime number. Now, the next number I'm going to ask you is 11. Is 11 a prime number? Yes, 11 is a prime number because no number can divide 11 without a remainder except 1 and 11. Now, the last one I'm going to ask you, is 1 a prime number? Okay, 1 is not a prime number because I said it before that a prime number must have two factors. A prime number must have two factors. 1 has just one factor because 1 is the only number that can divide 1 without a remainder. So 1 is not a prime number. Now, let me ask you, is 0 a prime number? This is where I want you to think. So tell me in the comment section if 0 is a prime number. So what then is an odd number? What's an odd number? Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 without a remainder. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So that's just the difference between a prime number and odd number. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Please follow, like,